Echinacea, botanically known as Echinacea purpurea, is a genus of flowering plants native to North America. Renowned for its striking beauty, Echinacea has been cherished for centuries for its medicinal properties. Indigenous peoples of North America were among the first to recognize the health benefits of this versatile herb, using it to treat a variety of ailments ranging from infections to wounds. Today, Echinacea remains one of the most popular herbal remedies worldwide, thanks to its rich concentration of active compounds, including polysaccharides, alkaloids, and flavonoids. This video delves into the top 10 health benefits of Echinacea, backed by traditional knowledge and modern research, highlighting its role as a natural powerhouse for improving health and well-being. Number 1. Strengthens the immune system. One of the most well-known benefits of Echinacea is its ability to boost the immune system. Its active compounds stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for defending the body against pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. By enhancing the immune response, Echinacea helps the body resist infections more effectively. Regular use of Echinacea has been associated with a reduction in the frequency and severity of illnesses, particularly during cold and flu season. Research indicates that Echinacea contains polysaccharides and alkaloids that modulate immune activity, making it an effective ally against respiratory infections and other common illnesses. These compounds also play a role in activating macrophages, which are crucial for identifying and eliminating harmful microorganisms. Number 2. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to a wide range of diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Echinacea contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce swelling and pain. These properties make it an effective natural remedy for conditions such as joint pain, inflammatory skin disorders, and respiratory issues. Alkaloids, a key component of Echinacea, are believed to inhibit inflammatory pathways by interacting with receptors that regulate inflammation. This action not only reduces acute inflammation but may also help in managing chronic inflammatory conditions. Number 3. Fights bacterial and viral infections. Echinacea's antimicrobial properties make it a powerful defense against both bacterial and viral infections. Traditionally, it has been used to treat conditions such as urinary tract infections, UTIs, sinus infections, and skin infections. Modern research supports its effectiveness in inhibiting the growth of harmful microorganisms, making it a valuable tool for maintaining health. Studies suggest that Echinacea's ability to combat infections lies in its capacity to enhance the production of cytokines, proteins that signal immune cells to respond to threats. This makes it particularly effective in managing respiratory infections and supporting recovery. Number 4. Promotes faster wound healing. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of Echinacea contribute to its effectiveness in promoting wound healing. Whether dealing with minor cuts, burns, or insect bites, Echinacea can help accelerate tissue repair while reducing the risk of infection. Its active compounds work synergistically to stimulate cell regeneration and reduce inflammation, creating an environment conducive to healing. Historically, Echinacea was applied as a poultice to wounds, reflecting its long-standing use as a natural remedy for skin injuries. Modern studies confirm its role in enhancing the healing process, making it a valuable addition to first aid treatments. Number 5. Provides antioxidant protection. Echinacea is a rich source of antioxidants, including flavonoids, citric acid, and rosmaric acid. These compounds neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, Echinacea helps protect the body from cellular damage and supports overall health. Antioxidants in Echinacea also play a role in maintaining skin health, supporting cardiovascular function, and reducing the risk of conditions linked to oxidative stress, such as cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Number 6. Supports respiratory health. Respiratory conditions, such as bronchitis, asthma, and sinusitis, can be debilitating. Echinacea's anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties make it an effective remedy for alleviating symptoms of respiratory illnesses. By reducing inflammation in the airways and supporting the body's natural defenses, Echinacea helps improve breathing and relieve congestion. Additionally, Echinacea has been used as a complementary treatment for seasonal allergies. Its ability to modulate the immune system may reduce allergic responses, providing relief from symptoms such as nasal congestion and sneezing. Number 7. Improves mental health. Emerging research suggests that Echinacea may have benefits for mental health, particularly in reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Compounds in Echinacea interact with brain receptors involved in mood regulation, such as cannabinoid and serotonin receptors. This interaction may promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Chronic stress and anxiety can negatively impact physical health by weakening the immune system and increasing inflammation. By supporting mental well-being, Echinacea indirectly contributes to overall health and resilience. Number 8. Promotes skin health. Echinacea's antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties make it a valuable ally for maintaining healthy skin. It has been used to treat a variety of skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. By reducing bacterial growth and inflammation, Echinacea helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritated skin. Additionally, its antioxidants protect the skin from environmental damage caused by pollution and UV radiation, reducing the signs of aging. Echinacea is also thought to enhance skin hydration and elasticity, contributing to a youthful and radiant complexion. Number 9. Regulates blood sugar levels. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for preventing conditions such as type 2 diabetes. Preliminary research suggests that Echinacea may help regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation in the pancreas. These effects could help stabilize glucose levels and prevent spikes after meals. While more studies are needed to fully understand this benefit, Echinacea's potential to support metabolic health highlights its versatility as a medicinal herb. Number 10. Supports overall longevity and wellness. The cumulative effects of Echinacea's health benefits, strengthening immunity, reducing inflammation, fighting infections, and providing antioxidant protection, contribute to enhanced overall health and longevity. By addressing multiple aspects of health, Echinacea helps the body maintain balance and resilience against the stresses of modern life. Its holistic effects make it a valuable herb for those seeking natural ways to support their long-term well-being. Whether used as a preventive measure or to address specific health concerns, Echinacea's multifaceted properties make it a cornerstone of herbal medicine. Echinacea's enduring popularity is a testament to its effectiveness as a natural remedy. From ancient traditions to modern research, the health benefits of this remarkable herb are well documented and widely celebrated. Its versatility in addressing a wide range of health issues makes it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. By incorporating Echinacea into your life, you can harness its powerful healing properties to support your immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Whether used as a preventive measure or for targeted relief, Echinacea remains a trusted ally in the quest for optimal wellness. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.